was avoided nicely in the end by Ramesh. Kept his eyes on the ball for most of the time. It was an excellent answer.
There's a gap between bat and pad. Steal for leg kick one is given. Well, I'm not too sure about that. The umpire standard has got, but we'll have to take a look again and see if he got something from it. Ramesh showed the bat to the umpire. It ends a very fine innings for the young man. He's utterly disappointed with himself, but we'll take another look.
With the same kind of work when he missed his 100 at Delhi, walked back very disappointed, but this time I suspect it's for different reasons. He thinks he's played it. We'll get to know soon.
Watch the bat. And now the ball. This will give you a better idea. No, in fact, it's hit the pad, and the bat was coming down late. And he struck with his first delivery of a new spell. Mohammad Azharuddin has hit it straight to the man at cover. Suckling Mushtaq made no mistake. It was Wasim who took the catch of Sucklane's bowling in the previous over, and Sucklane has done the job for his captain here. The Indian captain dismissed. India have lost their 7th wicket.
Well, that was not a great ball. You can say it was not quick. It was a little bit short outside the off stump. And a casual shot from Azharuddin. Away from his body, straight to the covers. That ball was pretty away from his body. And most probably it's 205 for 7.
So Chavan Srinath comes out to the middle. He's the man who did the job with the ball yesterday, but now it's his turn to deliver with the bat. He's here because this is what happened.
A loose ball from Wasim Akram and a loose shot from Azharuddin. Both the skippers straight to Suckline in the covers.
He waited for the umpire to release, given. Got down the leg side and good catch by Moin. Srinath gone and further trouble for the Indians.
And Wasim Akram getting the results for Pakistan. He had early dismissed Azharuddin. This one was nasty for Srinath. It was brilliantly taken by Moin Khan. Off the glove, Steve Buckner saying yes that he had nicked it. Barely reached to Moin Khan, and that's a good catch. He had to just reach forward to take that one.
Again, shot on the bag. He was struck earlier. There was a similar delivery from Akram, but at that time he was outside the line of the off stump when the ball hit him. Let's take another look.
That was a very good shout by Akram. Just one hit a little bit higher, but it was within the stumps.
It's called very well, wasn't it? He's out. He's intercepted delivery outside the off stump. Simple catch.
Well pitched up. Just moving away from the left-hander, casually playing away from the body, hanging his bat at that one. It was nicely taken by Azhar Mahmood. Look at those expressions.
That's going to be the important question. Trump. Fetching a delivery outside the off stump. What a catch that by Moin Khan.
The movement and the angle, just hanging his bat at that one, and was brilliantly held by Moin Khan. Diving in front of the first slip, plucked it in the air quite beautifully.
Yorker first up. He was right, even as he hit the ball.
Angling that ball away. Look at that catch. One-handed pickup. Wonderful stuff.
What a competitive figure out Moin Khan is. Look at that, absolutely top class, that catch.
Akram is setting him up with the Yorkers ball to sort of good link deliveries to Prasad. That is how he normally bowls to the tail-enders. He's got a very, very good Yorker, spot on most of the time, so he'll be looking to get one there to hit the stumps and wrap this test match up as quickly as possible.
Looking for a flashing cover drive was Venkatesh Prasad. Has a short back lift. That was quite an adventurous shot.
Most of the established players have not been able to hit Akram like that. Prasad, the front foot not to the pitch of the ball. It's an airy-fairy shot in the end. Nothing's changed in the middle. Everything's changed outside the ground. Empty stands, but the ball is still moving. Well, he can make that ball to talk, Wasim Akram. So very crafty with the old ball.
Terrific performance. 6 wickets down in the first half. To fight back from there must be a great feeling.
Definitely, it's a great feeling, and I would like to thank the whole Pakistan team, the way they fought back into the game. Everybody, when we got out 185, we had a meeting, and everybody said they wanted to win this game. So I believe they had a belief in themselves, and a lot of players back home in Pakistan. And I would like to thank people in Pakistan and over here who have been supporting us. And I believe we really worked hard.